Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions.
In today's video, we will learn 20 general knowledge multiple choice question and answer on Indian Railways. Part 2nd. Are you ready? So let's start. Question number 1. Which is the oldest running train in India still operational? Option A Punjab Mail, B Deccan Queen, C Netaji Express and D Frontier Mail. The correct answer is Netaji Express. The oldest running train in India still operational is the Netaji Express, formerly Kalka Mail. It first began running on January 1st, 1866, connecting Howrah, Kolkata to Kalka. Originally known as East Indian Railway Mail, it was later renamed Howrah Kalka Mail and most recently Netaji Express. The train has been in continuous operation for over 159 years. Question number 2. What is the gauge of the Indian Railways majority network? Option A broad gauge, B meter gauge, C narrow gauge and D standard gauge. The correct answer is broad gauge. The majority of Indian Railways network uses the broad gauge track, which has a width of 5 feet 6 inches. This gauge is used for most major passenger and freight routes in India, and it allows for the operation of faster and heavier trains. Question number 3. Which station of Indian Railways has the most number of platforms? Option A New Delhi, B Mumbai CST, C Howrah and D Chennai Central. The correct answer is Howrah. Howrah railway station, located in Kolkata, West Bengal, has the most number of platforms, 23 in India. It is one of the busiest railway stations in terms of passenger traffic and train frequency. Howrah Junction was opened in 1854 and serves as the headquarters of the Eastern Railway Zone. Question number 4. In which year were the Rajdhani train introduced by Indian Railways? Option A 1960, B 1963, C 1969 and D 1975. The correct answer is 1969. The first Rajdhani Express train was introduced by Indian Railways in 1969. Especially, it was launched on March 1st, 1969, connected New Delhi and Howrah. The maiden journey of Howrah-New Delhi Rajdhani Express took place on March 3rd in 1969. Question number 5. The first computerized reservation system in Indian Railways was introduced in option A 1984, B 1986, C 1990 and D 1995. The correct answer is 1986. The first computerized reservation system in Indian Railways was introduced in 1986. This system was initially launched in New Delhi, marking a shift from the traditional manual reservation process. Question number 6. Which city in India has the first railway station built in the country? Option A Mumbai, B Kolkata, C Chennai and D Delhi. The correct answer is Mumbai. The first railway station in India was Gauri Bandar, now Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, in Mumbai. It was established in 1853 by the Great Indian Peninsula Railway. The first passenger train in India ran from Gauri Bandar to Thane on April 16, 1853, marking the beginning of Indian railway journey. Question number 7. On which of the following is the longest railway bridge of Indian Railways located? Option A River Ganges, B. River Brahmaputra, C. Chilka Lake and D. Vembanad Lake. The correct answer is Vembanad Lake. Question number 8. Which is the first railway station in India to get an ISO certification? Option A. Sikandrabad, B. Guwahati, C. New Delhi, and D. Bangalore City. The correct answer is Guwahati. Guwahati railway station in Assam was the first railway station in India to receive an ISO certification, especially ISO 14001/2015. This certification was awarded for implementing an environmental management system and providing passenger amenities in clean and green environment. Question number 9. What is the name of the railway bridge that connects Rameswar to mainland India? Option A. Bogibel Bridge, B. Chenab Bridge, C. Pamban Bridge, and D. Jubilee Bridge. The correct answer is Pamban Bridge. The Pamban Bridge was opened in 1914 and is India's first sea bridge. It connects the town of Rameswar on Pamban Island, Tamil Nadu, with Mandapam on mainland. The bridge is famous for its double-leaf bascule section, which can be raised to allow ships to pass through. Question number 10. The world's highest narrow gauge railway is in which Indian state? Option A. Uttarakhand, B. West Bengal, C. Jammu and Kashmir, and D. Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. The world's highest narrow gauge railway is in Himachal Pradesh, India. It is the Kalka Simla Railway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which runs through the Shivalik Hills and reach an altitude of about 2076 meters at Simla. Question number 11. Which is the first Indian train to be run by private operators? Option A. Humsafar Express, B. Shatabdi Express, C. Duronto Express, and D. Tejas Express. The correct answer is Tejas Express. The Lucknow New Delhi Tejas Express was the first Indian train to be fully operated by a private entity, especially the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation (IRCTC). It began its operation on October 4, 2019. This marked a significant step in introducing private sector participation in Indian Railways. Question number 12. What is the rank of India in the world in terms of length of railroad network? Option A. First, B. Second, C. Third, and D. Fourth. The correct answer is fourth. Question number 13. In which city is the Indian Railway Institute of Financial Management located? Option A. Sikandrabad, B. Lucknow, C. Raebareli, and D. Gurgaon. The correct answer is Sikandrabad. Question number 14. Which railway station of Indian Railways is located at the highest altitude? Option A. Ooty, B. Simla, C. Rooi, and D. Kalka. The correct answer is Ghum. The Ghum railway station in West Bengal is the highest railway station in India, located at an altitude 2,258 meters above sea level. It is a part of the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Question number 15. Which train is nicknamed the Queen of Indian Railways? Option A. Deccan Crane, B. Place on Wheels, C. Maharaja Express, and D. Shatabdi Express. The correct answer is Deccan Crane. The Deccan Queen is nicknamed the Queen of Indian Railways. It was one of the first superfast intercity express train introduced between Mumbai and Pune in 1930. It was also known as Queen of the Deccan. Question number 16. Some trains called EMU are run by Indian Railways. What does M stand for EMU? Option A mechanical, B metro, C mainline, and D multiple. The correct answer is multiple. EMU stand for electric multiple unit. These trains are self-propelled electric multiple units, meaning they consist of multiple cars with electric traction motor incorporated within them, eliminating the need for separate locomotive. Question number 17. Which Indian railway station is the only one located in two states simultaneously? Option A Nawapur, B Vadodara, C Katni, and D Gantakal. The correct answer is Nawapur. Nawapur station lies on the Maharashtra and Gujarat border. One half of the station building and platform is in Nandurbar district of Maharashtra, while the other half is in Tapi district of Gujarat. Question number 18. Which is the longest railway route in India? Option A Himsagar Express, B Kerala Express, C Vivek Express, and D Kanyakumari Express. The correct answer is Vivek Express. Question number 19. Which Indian city is home to the oldest operating railway station? Option A Mumbai, B Chennai, C Kolkata, and D Delhi. The correct answer is Chennai. The oldest operating railway station in India is Royapuram railway station in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Royapuram station was inaugurated on July 1st in 1856 by the Madras Railway, though Bori Bandar in Mumbai was the starting point of the first passenger train in 1853. That station no longer exists, making Royapuram the oldest operational station today. Question number 20. The Indian Railway Fairy Queen is the world's oldest working what? Option A diesel locomotive, D steam locomotive, C electric locomotive, and D metro train. The correct answer is steam locomotive. The Indian Railway Fairy Queen is the world's oldest working steam locomotive. It was built in 1855 by Kitson, Thompson, and Havison in England, and is a 5 feet 6 inch gauge locomotive. The Fairy Queen is a 2-cylinder broad gauge British design. The Fairy Queen holds a place in the Guinness World Record as the oldest working steam locomotive in the world.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.